Hello, welcome to the session on application of different types of packs and masks according to skin type. Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to understand the difference between face pack and face mask, learn about the skin types and the various types of face packs and masks, understand the use of face packs and masks according to the skin type. The materials required for application of different types of packs and masks are headband, towel, plastic or glass bowl, face cleaning sheet, blanket to cover client body, pack brush, plastic spatula, facial bed, cotton balls as per need, cold cream as per need, cleansing milk as per need, face pack as per need, disposable towel or tissue as per need, antiseptic lotion and astringent as per need, sun protection products as per need. Both face packs and face masks are skin care products that are used to improve the condition and appearance of the skin on the face. A face pack generally refers to a paste or a thick creamy substance that is applied to the face and left to dry before rinsing off. They can be formulated with natural ingredients like clay, herbs, fruits, or other beneficial substances. Face packs typically work by drawing out impurities from the skin, tightening pores, and providing a deep cleansing effect. A face mask, on the other hand, is a broad term that can encompass various types of masks, including sheet masks, peel-off masks, gel masks, or cream masks. Face masks are usually pre-made and come in single-use or multiple-use packaging. Face masks can hydrate, nourish, brighten, soothe, or rejuvenate the skin depending on their formulation. Sheet masks, for example, are made of a thin sheet soaked in a serum-like solution, while peel-off masks dry on the skin and can be peeled away after a certain period. There are generally 5 common types of skin. They are normal, dry, oily, combination, and sensitive. Normal skin is well balanced and generally considered the ideal skin type. It has a good balance of moisture and oil production, with small or medium-sized pores. Dry skin lacks sufficient moisture and tends to feel tight and rough. It may appear dull, flaky, or dehydrated. Dry skin produces less oil, which can lead to a compromised skin barrier. Oily skin produces an excess amount of sebum, the skin's natural oil. It often appears shiny, especially in the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin. Oily skin is prone to enlarged pores, blackheads, and acne breakouts due to the excess oil production. Combination skin is characterized by having both oily and dry areas on the face. Typically, the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin is oily, while the cheeks and other areas may be dry or normal. Sensitive skin is easily irritated and can react to various environmental factors, skincare products, or ingredients. It may appear red, inflamed, or itchy. People with sensitive skin need to be cautious when selecting skincare products, as harsh or irritating ingredients can exacerbate the sensitivity. Then we have clay packs that are used to stimulate circulation and temporarily contract the pores of the skin. Clay packs are good for oily and combination skins. Clay packs can be applied using a mask brush and allowed to set for about 10 minutes. Another type of mask is the rubber mask. These are used for firming, toning, and bringing back a youthful skin. It is sold in powder form and easy to use. Next type is the sheet mask. This mask can be applied on face for 20 minutes and then remove it. For good result, gently tap on the face for the serum to be absorbed. Sheet masks can brighten dull skin, clear up acne, and moisturize dry skin. There is a general procedure to apply any mask or pack. First, prepare the mask for application and then tie the headband over the client's head. Use a sterilized mask brush or a spatula and start applying the mask. The sequence of mask application should start from the neck, chin, cheeks, nose, and finally forehead. Apply the mask quickly and evenly so that it has maximum effect on the skin. Don't apply it too thickly, as it will be difficult to remove it later. Keep the mask clear of the nostrils, the lips, the eyebrows, and the hairline. Leave the mask for the recommended time or according to the effect required. Make sure to consider the sensitivity of the skin and the client's comfort as well. Then, remove the mask and eye pads. Apply the appropriate toning lotion using a damp cotton wool. Make the skin dry with the facial tissues. Remove the headband and tidy the client's hair. Let's recap the key points discussed. Use face packs and masks according to skin type. Face packs typically work by drawing out impurities from the skin, tightening pores, and providing a deep cleansing effect. Different types of facial masks have different benefits and each suited for a particular type of skin. This brings us to the end of the session. Hope you have gained a good understanding about the application of different types of packs and masks according to skin type. See you in the next session.